Okay, hey everyone, back with DIY with Chucks. Our cat, I can't remember how this got broken, but it got broken. Okay, we ordered a new one from Amazon with a new screen. Similar battery, I'm not sure on the front, but I just lifted this because the battery holds it in. I need to desolder that, but other than that, you desolder these two pins here and the board should come up. So then I just have to replace the screen back in there because it's just touching those pins on the sides, all those pins. So if you can see these pins here, that's what's holding it down. I'm hoping that this one had screws holding it down. This one's only got a clip. So it's very, very cheap. It's a reasonably cheap board. I'm not blaming anyone that doesn't. Oh no. Oh no. Look at this. They've used a different screen. Oh no. I'm stuffed. That's really stuffed me up now. There's nothing really else on it. It's only got one that's cheap and nasty except the CPU. Whereas this one has multiple capacitors. So there's a capacitor there, or a resistor, one of the two. I think it's a resistor. There's 3 resistors in there. There's a timing circuit here. There's a memory chip for loading the information into the CPU. CPU's probably got an infrared connection to here, so it'll send data up to the LED. You've got a couple of a resistor, and I think that could be a fuse, and the batteries, but this one's totally different, so I need to find one similar to that. Anyone got any ideas?